press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone. In the last class, we have discussed the meaning of history and the types of history. In this session, we are going to discuss modern European history, the first chapter of modern European history, the French Revolution. The chapter second, the socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. The chapter number third, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. These are all the chapter will be discussed in this chapter. The first one is events and processes. And next, the first chapter we are going to discuss the French Revolution, events and processes. What are the teaching points that can be learned in this chapter? The French Revolution, French society during the late 18th century. The outbreak of revolution, the France abolishes of monarchy and becomes a republic. Did women have a revolution? The abolition of slavery, the revolution and everyday life. The first one is events and processes. Students, you have heard what is constitution? Constitution is a set of basic rules followed by country. What is constitution? A constitution is a set of basic rules followed by a country. How many articles are there? There are 467 articles are there, 12 schedules are there, 25 parts are there. Article number 14, article number 15, article number 16, 17. You may have listened to the class in the constitution. There are number of articles. The preamble, which starts from equality, fraternity, freedom, justice, these are all the things we have studied in the last class. Yes, right to equality from article number 14 to 18. Right to freedom, article number 19 to 21. According to article number 21A, the government should give education, free education to the below the age of 6 to 14 years children. This is one of the article. Yes, equality, fraternity, freedom. These are all the things we remember very often. Where did they borrow? The first one is liberty, the power. What is liberty? In different ways. The first chapter is in society. You will read about the French Revolution, the Russian Revolution and the rise of Nazism. In different ways, all these events were important in the making of modern world. The modern world is made up of equality, fraternity and freedom. Whenever we go, we have a freedom. Whenever we talk, we have a equality. We are getting the education irrespective of caste, creed, religious and races. Important in the making of modern world. Today we often take the ideas of liberty, freedom and equality for granted. Granted, which means we do not ask the question, we accept without asking question. Yavude question kelade navu liberty. According to article number 19, I have a freedom wherever we go. And next, according to article number 19, I have a freedom wherever we go, I go. And next, according to article number 14, I have a equality, I have to go, I can go wherever, I can participate in the election, those who have completed 18 years. And next, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, all the people, all the children of India, they can get education. There is no discrimination, there is no partiality. According to article number 19, which is offense. Equality for granted. What is liberty? The power or right to act, speak or think as one wants without hindrance or restraint. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಡೆತಡೆಗಳಿಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಮಾತನಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್, ದ ಪವರ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್, ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಇಂಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 19, wherever go across country, over the country, wherever we can journey all over the country. That is given by our constitution. Speak, 19 article number, we have a right to speak to whomever we want, or think, you have to think yourself. That right is given by our constitution without hindrance or restraint, that is offense. Freedom, equality, and next one is equality. The government should not make any equality. There is no partiality between men and women. The state of being equal, especially in status, rights and opportunities. According to article number 14, it expresses all are equal before law, irrespective of caste, creed, race, gender. Men and women are equal, richer and poorer are equal. There is nobody richest, there is nobody poorest in according to our constitution, especially in status, rights and opportunities. And next, events and processes. The first, but we need to remind ourselves that these ideas also have a history. Equality, fraternity and freedom. These ideas have not suddenly come. These ideas also have a history. When we got these ideas, there are a number of people who have struggled to get these ideas. By looking at the French Revolution, you will read some part of the history. There are a number of struggle in the French Revolution. French is one of the society. Small part of history, the French Revolution led to the end of monarchy in France. By looking at the French Revolution which took place 1789, there are a number of years French was ruled by the Louis of Bourbon dynasty. How do you say that? These ideas also have history. By looking at the French Revolution, there are a number of struggle which was taken place between poorer and richer people. Small part of history, the French Revolution led to the end of monarchy in France. When I say monarchy, what is monarchy? A monarchy is a system of administration. A king has supreme authority. He was not restricted by any laws, rules and regulations. It was not like democracy. The monarchy in system, it was practiced in the French Revolution. A monarchy is one of the main reason to start French Revolution. And society based on the privileges gave way to a new system of governance. A society based on privileges, which means all the things, all the facilities were given to only for higher class of people. There are feudal system was practiced in the French Revolution. Like this, the first people, they are called as clergy. They were made up of 0.5% people. The first people, they are called as clergy. Second, they are called as king. Third, common people. The first and second column were reserved to privileges society. There was a French Revolution took place. Privileges gave way to new system of governance. A monarchy changed into republic democracy. The king Louis of Bourbon dynasty, he ruled very dictatorial rule. The declaration of human rights man during the revolution, the coming of new time. In the year of 1791, after the French Revolution, the French Directory government has established the rights of man, means rights of human rights was established in 1791. Revolution, the coming of new time. The ideas that all individuals had rights and could claim equality became a part of new language of politics. The idea that all individuals had rights, according to our constitution, we have a rights to claim equality. ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದೇಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್. These notions of equality and freedom emerged as the central ideas of new age. There were heated debates about the ideas of equality, freedom and fraternity. Where did they come from? Where did they borrow from? They borrowed from French Revolution. The French Revolution, which mainly declared of equality, fraternity and freedom. But in different countries they were reinterpreted rethought in many different ways. ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಮಾತುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಆಂಟಿ ಕಲೋನಿಯಲ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೀನಾ, ಆಫ್ರಿಕಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೇರಿಕಾ produced ideas that were innovative. Anti-colonial, which means one part of area which is controlled by another for gaining of economics. For example, India is colonial country which was ruled by British Empire, and China was ruled by Japan. Africa was ruled by Spain country. Africa was ruled by English. South America was ruled by Spanish country. Produced ideas that were innovative and original, but they spoke in language. ಆವಾಗ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು, ಈಕ್ವಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದಟ್ ಗೇನ್ಡ್ ಕರೆನ್ಸಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೇಟ್ 18th century. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 18th century ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1800 to 1900. The first currency of India, which introduced in 1917, 1 rupee coin. 1928, the first paper money was introduced. Okay, this is the introduction. Next we are going to discuss one event, the French Revolution. We are going to learn the first, they have given one incident. Before that, what happened? We need to know that before 14 July 1789 there are number of things which has been happened. In the French was ruled by Louis of Bourbon dynasty. They were dictatorial and the monarchy. What is monarchy? A king has supreme authority. He was not restricted by any rules and regulations. On the morning of 1789, the city of Paris was in the state of alarm. ಅವತ್ತಿನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ is the, what is Paris? Paris is the capital city of France, was in the state of alarm, which means the king has declared the emergency time. There is no rights. The king had commanded troops to move into the city. The king had commanded troops which means groups of soldiers to move into the city of Paris. Command ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ನೀವು ಸಿಟಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಒಂದು rumors means vadanti, false news spread that he would soon order the army to open fire upon the some 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall and decided to form people's militia. Rumor spread. What was rumor spread in the France? The revolution has spread the rumors, means who hated the king, ಕಿಂಗನ್ನು ಯಾರು ದ್ವೇಷಿಸ್ತಾರೋ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ರುಮರ್ಸನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವದಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಹಬ್ಬಿಸಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಏನು? ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವುಡ್ ಸೂನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ದ ಆರ್ಮಿ ಟು ಓಪನ್ ಫೈರ್ ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಸಮ್ 7,000 men and women. And next one is, and king has raised the price level and he created artificial and he created artificial. These are all the rumors spread in the city of Paris. And next one is Necker is the financial minister of France. He was dethroned and exiled by king. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಗಡೀಪಾರು ಮಾಡಿದರು. and next king ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ, ದ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಜನರಿಗೆ ಫುಡ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಂತಂದೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ second news is the army to open fire upon 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall to decided a form of people's militia. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದು 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall. Listen, look at the board here. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. in front of the town hall decided to form people's militia. They broke into a number of government buildings and in search of arms. They broke into a number of government buildings. The buildings was indication of despotic ruler. Despotic means ನಿರಂಕುಶದ ಅಧಿಕಾರವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ they broke in search of arms. Where a place find arms, which means weapons, shield, gurani, next sword and next guns. Where a place in search of arms, they broke into a number of government buildings in search of arms. And next, the incident of Bastille. Bastille is one of the jail, that is Bastille jail. Finally, a group of several hundred people marched towards eastern part of the city and stormed the fortress prison. That is named Bastille. Nodri, the king, the rumor spread, the king has risen the price level. And next one is king has dethroned the financial minister of Necker. And next one is the king had commanded the troop move into the city. ಸೈನ್ಯವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, they wanted bread because the price level was risen. These are all the rumors spread. When the people they heard this news, finally a group of several hundred people marched towards eastern part of the city and stormed the fortress prison. The prison name was Bastille. The Bastille, what is Bastille? They hoped to find hoarded ammunition. The Bastille, the very place they hoped to find hoarded ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಲವಾರು, to find hoarded ammunition. Ammunition means ಗುಂಡುಗಳು, ಮದ್ದು ಗುಂಡುಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದಾವೆ. They were getting hoarded ammunition. In the hard fight that followed, the commander of Bastille was killed. There was a commander who protected the Bastille. He was killed by 700 of men and women of France, and prisoners were released. There were prisoners are there, the revolutionists who raised their voice. They were prisoned by militia of France. And when they attacked the people, men and women, they attacked against the Bastille jail. They were released the prisoners. Though there were 7 of them. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರು? 7 ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಆ Bastille ಅಲ್ಲಿ. But the Bastille was hated by all. The Bastille, why was Bastille hated by all? Because, one more question, because it stood for the despotic power of the king. Despotic, which means dictatorial power. He did not take care about the people. Whoever they had risen their voice, they were prisoned to the Bastille by the military of France. That's why all people, men and women, they hated the Bastille. Because of it stood for the despotic power of king, the fortress was demolished and its stone fragments. The fortress was demolished by the men and women of France. Why was it demolished? Because it stood for the despotic power of the king. He did not care about the people. There was a rise in price level. Necker was dethroned. These are all the things that caused for the fortress of Bastille. Its stone fragments were sold in the market to all. Stone fragments means ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ತುಣುಕುಗಳನ್ನು were sold in the markets to all. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಟರು ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ತುಣುಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಒಡೆದು ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಲನ್ನು ಒಡೆದು. ವೈ ವಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಲ್ ಡೆಮಾಲಿಶ್ಡ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಡೆಸ್ಪೊಟಿಕ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ ದ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನರೀಸ್ were captured, were prisoned by the militia and gathered into the Bastille. Therefore, they hated the jail of Bastille. The fortress was demolished and its stone fragments were sold in the markets to all those who wished to keep souvenir of its destruction. ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ? ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ತುಣುಕುಗಳನ್ನ, ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಲ್ನ ತುಣುಕುಗಳನ್ನ, ದೋಸ್ ಹೂ ವಿಶ್, ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು, ಟು ಕೀಪ್ souvenir its destruction. Souvenir which means ಸ್ಮಾರಕ. We have seen many souvenir which means Badami Chalukya souvenir, there is a Badami. Like this, the souvenir of destruction, who wished to keep a souvenir of destruction. And next, the days of that followed saw more rioting both in Paris. After the Bastille was demolished by men and women, it was not completed. It was taken place July 14, 1789. It was continued already before that, July 11, 12, 1789. The clashes took place between French revolutionaries and the military of France. The French revolutionaries, they killed whoever they want. ಯಾರು ಬೇಕು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಕೊಂದು ಹೊಡೆದು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದ ಡೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್, ಮುಂದುವರೆದಂತೆ, ಸಾ ಮೋರ್ ರೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೋತ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಸೈಡ್. ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಗಲಭೆಗಳು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದು. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ the people who looted the richest persons, first they demolished the rumor spread, and next the people of several hundred men and women who attacked to the Bastille and demolished the Bastille fortress prison. And next to the days that followed, some more rioting both in Paris. ಅದಂಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರೆದಂತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಗಲಾಟೆ and countryside which means villages. Most people were protesting against the high price of bread. This incident, this is called as the bread march. The high price of bread. The men and women in the year of 1789, October 4 and 5, the several men and women who went to the Versailles nearby. Versailles, it is located. Versailles is a palace. It is located in the nearby Paris. The men and women who were going to Paris, who are going to Versailles, in front of Versailles, already the men and women, they were working in the industrial sector. They were getting very poor, and next they were doing the plumbering, and next sold off food, sold off fruit, sold off bread. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. The rise of price level, it was created by King Paul News. High price, they wanted bread which means ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. This is called famously, it is known as Bread March 1789, October 4 and 5 it was taken place. All the men and women who were going to Versailles, and they stood in front of the Versailles palace. They asked to king. The king was staying second floor, and he was saying, the people ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು, people ಅವರು, Swami, my lord, the king, I wanted bread, because they wanted bread. I want bread, I need bread, give me bread. They asked again and again. But the king and his queen, Mary Antoinette, they never took care about the people. They careless about the people. Much later, when historians looked back upon this time, then what happened? All the revolutionaries who went into the palace and demolished the palace, and they catched the king and queen and prisoned in the Tuileries prison. And ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? We are bringing the baker of bread, baker of wife, baker of son. ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ತಯಾರಿಸುವನ್ನು ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಮಗನನ್ನು ತಂದಿವಿ, ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ತಯಾರಿಸುವ ಹೆಂಡತಿಯನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. And next, they saw it as the beginning of chain events. Much later, when historians looked back upon this time, they saw it's the beginning of chain events that ultimately led to the execution of king in France. They saw it is the beginning of according to French Revolution, that ultimately led to the execution of king in France. Finally, in the further days, the king was executed by, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನನ್ನು ಮರಣದಂಡ, ಗಿಲೆಟಿನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಿಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಚೆಂಡನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ 1789. Though most people at the time did not anticipate this outcome. Anticipate which means expectation. The most of people at the time did not expect this outcome. What outcome? The king, the execution of king, 1789. How and why did this happen, students? You may have the question, how did this happen and why did this happen? This point, it will be carried us to another next part of next class. We are going to discuss the French Revolution, the meaning of French Revolution, the reasons for French Revolution. We will discuss in the next chapter. What we have discussed, one incident, all the men and women gathered the eastern part of the first incident is they demolished the prison of Bastille, July 14, 1789, and next the March of Bread, this incident. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ಟಲನ್ನು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ನೆನಪು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾರು ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ next one is Bread March, and next incident was the execution of king. This incident next we are going to discuss. Thank you.